When you don't know what to say, just hey. I love it.
I can't believe when you know she said. Actually, it's
when you don't know what to say.
When there's like, Ray, whoa. All right. Over the weekend, the Reggae Girlz secured their spot in the Concacaf World Championship, finishing top of Group B in the qualifiers with a perfect record after a 2-0 win over Guyana. Now, to break it all down with us, we're joined by winning. My schoolmate from NCU. My workmates in a newsroom and so goodie. As a big woman, big like myself and good like myself. I'm doing too much.
I was trying to join in, but she left me. I'm like,
Denise Walters, hi.
Thank you so much.
That's right. Denise,
and you came repping with the earrings too, you know.
Thank you over here in the studio.
It's my first time on here.
We love you here. You're a vibe.
Hey.
I would tell her welcome to the crazy side, but she's in sports. That's all.
Hey, listen. I can see from popping.
Listen, I'll come. So, Denise, sorry, people. We're bonding. Quick question. In your estimation, would you say this was an easy win for our Reggae Girlz?
It was. We created a number of chances, but unfortunately, we didn't put away all of the chances that we got. Generally, when we get the Caribbean teams, we bag them up and tag them up. But it made us work for this 2-0 win. But we were perfect throughout this round, so that's good.
You bag them up and tag them up. I like that.
Bag them up and tag them up.
With what has been happening on the other side of the coin, would you say this kind of lifted the spirits of the Jamaican fans? Like, we needed to be on the winning side of things. I mean, we just give 4 the other day, so you know we've been doing the winning.
Absolutely. When we played Antigua and we gave them 4-0, there were like maybe 2,000 persons at the National Stadium. For the Guyana game, there was an increase to over 6,000 persons in the grandstand coming out to support. And it was just good to see the Reggae Girlz playing at home. They hadn't played here in Jamaica for like almost 2 years, and the last time they played, they were in Montego Bay at the Catherine Halls complex. So it was just good to see them, and it does lift the spirit of the football fans here in Jamaica.
Speaking of the fans, we're all a big fan of Khadija Shaw. Now, I love her. She was also named player of the match. How integral do you think she is and a part of the Jamaican team in winning the Concacaf Championship?
One of the things that you want to have when you're playing football is a good captain, a leader on the field. And when you have her as your talisman, then you're just going to follow behind her, and she's like a world-class player.
Oh, my gosh.
If we qualify for the next World Cup, it will be her third World Cup.
When we qualify for the next World Cup, then
my apologies.
Denise, fix up the word, fix up the task.
My apologies. In November, when we qualify for the next World Cup, she will be one of the players in the squad that would be going to their third World Cup. So she has the experience, and she just doesn't play good for country. She also plays good for her club, and that's important to have. A wonderful captain.
Awesome.
And she's Jamaican born and bred.
We love that.
Big up St. Jago High School, Monk Street and Punk Street. Even though I said my alma mater, but I have to give them credit because we come from Rivoli, so we have to big up.
I love that.
You see, when you said was at the height of his career, right? When you say this in a race, you know who gonna fight for second. We know him gonna win and then fight for second. Do you find that the matches that we've been playing has been kind of like the same in that the competition may not really be as challenging, so we're supposed to win? Or do you think that it's always been a tough fight for the girls throughout, based on what you've seen thus far?
I don't think you should underestimate any opponent because everybody come into a game wanting to win. You should respect them, but not give them too much respect. This round was easier. The next round, the Concacaf Women's Championship, where you decide who will go to the World Cup, that's going to be the harder round. There's going to be some changes. FIFA announced earlier. Generally, when you play at the championship, the top 3 teams, they'll qualify for the World Cup. For the past 2 World Cup cycles, Jamaica ended 3rd, I believe. This time around, we go into the quarterfinal. 4 quarterfinal games. When we win,
right, good girl,
we automatically qualify for the World Cup. And a bonus to that, USA, if they win their match and if we win our match, then we're also through to the 2028 Olympic Games, because what has happened, CONCACAF has been awarded 3 spots and USA will be the host nation, so they have an automatic spot. So 2 things we're fight for in November.
Lord God, World Cup and then
Yes.
Olympics.
That's a
And if we win one, we get all.
Yes.
Thing, like, me like that.
So you say our next set of games going to be challenging. Some of those teams that we're going to be playing against, would you know who those?
Well, we have one team to face in the quarterfinal. Based on the rankings now, the world rankings, because the teams will be seeded based on their rankings. Jamaica is ranked 4th in Concacaf behind the United States, Canada, and Mexico, and we play the 5th place team in Concacaf, which now is Costa Rica. We're number 42 in FIFA, and we're 41 and they're 42. So more than likely, we'll play Costa Rica. So,
I'm nervous.
well, let's hope it's not in Costa Rica.
Oh,
The
yeah.
venue has not yet been announced and the dates for the matches. But even if we don't win, we still have an additional shot at going through the World Cup. The losers from the quarterfinal rounds, they'll get to play each other, and the 2 teams, the 2 winners out of that, then they'll go on to the intercontinental playoffs.
Where go, man? Where go?
So we know, we have the next big game is in November. We have anything, because Jamaicans are really coming out to support our girls. Do we have anything that we can come watch before November?
Well, I don't know if the JFF will organize any friendlies between them, just to get the team together, get the chemistry going, and get the girls some playing time. But we'll see when the window comes around, if there is any announcement.
Because we're there now, the people have come out more and more, and we're ready. We're ready.
You have your
ready.
visa ready, because we're going to World Cup next.
Yeah, man. I made
Yeah,
it
long
too.
time. They did it for me, I lash for them.
Ladies.
It will be in Brazil. So I
Okay.
have a swimsuit too.
Okay. Everything ready. Ladies and gentlemen, watching at home and everywhere, award-winning journalist, amazing bestie, Denise Walters. Thank you so much. Journalist, awesomeness. More on Daytime Live. You don't want to miss it. Enough more. The show nice. Come back.